Hey guys, Eric Kiley, publisher, Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine, and I'm excited to be down at the Miami International Boat Show right here at the Marine Stadium in Miami, Florida. I love this show, guys, by far one of my favorite shows of the whole year. So while I'm here, I'm kind of wandering around. I'm looking for some fun and exciting new stuff to report to you guys on. If I found something I think is really, really cool. Sailrite. I'm here with Tanner Grant. Tanner, how are you?
Hi, Eric. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. I love what you guys do. I need your services all the time for my boat. Yep. Tell our viewers a little bit about what's Sailrite.
Well, Sailrite, you can think of it as a Home Depot or Lowe's for canvas work. So we offer everything from sewing machines to fabric to foam, anything that you need for your boat to create any of these projects, such as a Bimini or a Dodger. And we have all the videos online to show you step by step on how to do it.
No kidding. So if I need repair on one of my seat cushions or I need repair on some of my canvas, you guys can do that, or you can make me a whole new canvas set, the whole deal?
We don't do any custom work, but we sell the material so our customers can do it themselves. So we are sort of the DIY of canvas work. So we have all the raw materials,
yes,
and we show the customers how to do it to save money.
So if I needed a specific color or style for my boat because I've used it before, I like it and I want to use it again,
yep.
You guys can find it for me?
Yep, we are distributors of Sombrella, and we carry all of the marine grade fabrics, everything that you would need, thousands of different colors and styles of fabric that will match anything that you have in your boat.
Every single year, my boom comes down and it scrapes along top of my Bimini top, and I get a tear there every single year. And it costs me a few dollars to take it to my local canvas guy and say, please repair this again this year. Can you teach me how to fix that myself so I don't have to go do it with somebody else?
Yep, we have everything that you'd need and all of the instructions on how to fix it. So we have experts like myself and Bill and Matt Grant and Zach Grant. If you just email or call in, we'll tell you the materials that you need, what we'd recommend for what's going to be the longest lasting fix.
Well, there are other challenges that I'm faced with. Can you guys help me with if I have a problem with snaps on my boat? Or if I need to stretch out the canvas to be able to make it snap, or extenders, or the zippers, I always have issues with that. You know, so if you've got a boat, you got an issue with all this stuff because it stretches and condenses all the time.
Yep. We have everything you need for snap fasteners. We carry line 24, which is standard on basically every sailboat out there. We have all the setting tools that you'd need to do these snap fasteners and any projects for screens, attaching your cushions to your boat, making sure they don't fly away. We have all the snaps that you need, and we sell them at a great price.
Well, let's go a little bit more bigger picture, Tanner. You sell sewing machines. Are you selling to guys who want to run their own canvas shops in these communities, these coastal communities where boats are?
Yep, that's the long-term goal. So a lot of our customers start off by doing their own cockpit cushions, redoing everything on their boat, and then they have their friends, their relatives, they all need their help and they want to use their machine to do it. They eventually, a lot of these people will buy the machine, the equipment, the tools, and end up doing their own canvas work for other people, so they make a small business out of it.
So you've got the know-how. You're like the college professor that I need to go to find out how to do all this type of work, and then I can go off and do it on my own.
Exactly, and we do have a trade program, so if you want our best pricing, you can apply, and if you're an established business that's doing canvas work, we have special pricing for you online. Just sign up for a trade program and we'll give you a great price.
I love it. So Tanner, if I can't make it down to the Miami Boat Show, where am I going to go online to find out more information about the products that you guys have available, how to get the DIY videos, how to get in touch with you guys to create that partnership?
Yep, you can go online anytime, www.sailrite.com, or call in Monday from 8 to 5 Eastern Time, and you can always talk to somebody on the phone. So if you have any questions or need help, you can always reach out or go online.
Tanner Grant.
Thank you, Eric.
Make sure you go by and visit Sailrite.com. Find out more information about the wonderful products that they have available for you. Start your own new career as well, or just simply fix up the canvas or upholstery on your boat. Thanks so much for joining us today, guys. We'll see you out on the water.